Here I have an initial rough block design of the swing arm. There's a bit more detail that's been created that connects this end to the motorcycle frame and this other end to the axle that goes through the rear wheel. The remainder of the geometry will be redesigned using design guidance, which will optimize the structural form and remove a significant amount of the geometry. To begin, I'll add clamp restraints to these cylindrical faces on this end of the swing arm body. I'll select both faces here, and both faces here, and click OK. Next, I'll apply distributed forces to the inner flat faces on each slot at this end of the swing arm. I'll click on both bottom flat faces within the slot cutouts. Make sure it's set as a distributed force. Set the total value to 1200 newtons, and click OK. Now I can begin the design guidance study. I'll click on the icon from the action bar. Select Redesign at the top since I'm redesigning the swing arm body. Then select any face on the swing arm to choose it as the body to redesign. I'll leave the build volume to include the entire swing arm. And since this swing arm design is a symmetric body, I'll use some symmetry settings to redesign the part. I'll click on Symmetry, use the At Center settings, enable the Z-axis option so that the body is split down the center, and click Generate. As you'd expect, this takes a few minutes to run, which I'll accelerate to get to the finished result. Now that the results are complete, only half the redesigned model is showing due to the symmetry condition. In the Results tab, I'll expand the Results Display section. Then enable the Show Full Design. And you can see the entire redesigned body with much of the geometry removed. I'll switch the model to a wireframe view to make it easier to see the redesign. From here, you can use the design guidance body as a design envelope or a guide to make adjustments to the swing arm body. Creating cutouts, applying fillets, and thickening specific sections will get closer to the final design according to the loads applied to it.